unbox this Mantis by Kaabo. So it just came away it just came today from China, and as of now, this is the first Mantis in UAE. So we're going to unbox this thing here. There you go. So this cover with 2 screws. Oh wow! So let's remove first. Let's first check what's inside. So it has the tool, like the basic tools, the Allen key and the screws. And there's the power cord and some accessories. I think this is the charger. So it also came with a manual. So the manual is in English. I thought it's going to be Chinese manual, but they had the manual all English, step by step, on how to install it. So heavy. It's like 27 kilograms. Oh my, it's beauty. So first we have to mount. Okay guys, so we're done assembling this thing. So it's not that hard to assemble this one. All you need to do is 2 things. First, you need to put the handlebar and just screw this lock. And this one, you just need to rotate this and tighten this up. It's just like a bike. And there you go. So after that, you just need to turn it on. And these are the modes. You can change the modes from gear 1, 2, 3. And here you can change it from eco or turbo mode, or single if you want 1 motor to run, and dual if you want faster and the 2 motors to run. And that's it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe. We will be posting more videos of more unboxing of these scooters, especially here in UAE. And right now, the e-scooters or electric scooters, whatever you call it, it's starting to be a trend here in the United Arab Emirates, like Europe, Spain, and there's a lot of potential of these scooters to be around like cars, and it's so economical to use. And that's it. So hopefully we catch up on our next video. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.